Okay everyone, you're welcome back to my channel guys. How are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing plaque removal remedy. This remedy is actually going to help you to remove dental plaque. It's going to remove tartar and it's going to be helpful for dental decay. Like if you're having those pains, don't worry, this is actually going to help you to calm those pains in your tooth. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Now before we go, why not do me one great favor by subscribing here, turn on that post notification and click all and thumbs up. Okay, why not share it? Okay, and let's go. Hey guys, so to get rid of those dental plaque and get a whiter teeth in just 5 minutes of doing this, guys, I'm not exaggerating, just 5 minutes of doing this, you're going to get that white teeth. You're going to be needing onion for this. Okay, do you know that onion actually helps you remove plaque? Now when you actually take it raw though, so you have to take it raw for it to be very effective. Okay, so we're gonna be taking just a little piece of this onion. We're actually gonna blend it so we can actually get the juice out, and to be able to get the juice out we'll be needing to use just a little bit of water. And then we'll blend it. So after successfully blending this, we're gonna be getting just a little of the juice. We're not needing too much of this juice. Okay guys, so after that we're gonna be needing baking soda. Now do you know that baking soda helps whiten the teeth and remove dental plaque? But do not use baking soda too much on your teeth because it will irritate your gum. Okay, but it's actually very healthy when you use it at least once in a week. Once or twice in a week would help do the magic. So we're gonna be putting in 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then we'll have to mix that up. We're going to equally be needing lemon. Now lemon also helps for the teeth, but of course this particular ingredient, guys, you do not need to repeat it more than once a day because it's actually very active. Yeah, so once in a week, sorry. So I have just a little of this lemon, and this is what I'm putting, just a little, about 3 or 4 drops of the lemon is actually what I'm actually using. And then also I'm gonna be needing to use Colgate, okay, toothpaste. Basically you can use any white minty toothpaste. It mustn't be Colgate, but I have Colgate, yeah, so that's basically what I'm gonna be using. And then I'm gonna be pressing in my toothpaste into a bowl and then mix it up really good. Give me rice powder. Okay, so I'm equally going to be making use of coconut oil. Now coconut oil helps for the teeth very much. It protects the teeth. That's why I'm actually using it in here, since we have lemon and baking soda. soda, which is abrasive on the teeth. Now when you put a little bit of coconut oil, it helps make this treatment very friendly, and it also helps make this treatment work really fine. So we're equally going to be making use of rice powder. Rice powder helps so much to whiten up the teeth, okay, while the baking soda helps in removing dental plaque. Okay, so that's why we're going to be needing rice powder. And you can actually get rice powder at the comfort of your own by just taking your rice and then you blend it. Then you'll be having rice powder. Okay, so this is it. This is your dental plaque paste. Okay, so you make this and just use it once in a week, at most 4 times in a month, and that your dental plaque will be gone definitely. Okay. Okay guys, so this is our toothpaste for today, and I'm gonna grab it and then I'm gonna be using it to brush my teeth. So this is it, and it's going to remove dental plaque and tartar. Okay. Now you have to wash it really, really well, okay? Now after which you brush the first time and then you rinse it, you have to look where in particular do you actually have your plaque, or where in particular is your teeth actually changing from the normal beautiful white color. Then you concentrate on that place and brush it really well. For instance, if it's a down lower teeth, or if it's the upper teeth, okay. So you brush this. And then you wash it off immediately, okay? Don't let it sit in your mouth. Now you're going to be having this, if you follow all of the ingredients that I use, it's going to be feeling really minty in your mouth, like minty flavor in your mouth. Okay, that is actually very good. Okay, look at it. Why not go use this at least once in a week to remove all of those dental plaque and have your teeth looking white and sparkling. Remove dental tartar. If you have a tooth decay, guys, now you have to grab this thing, take it like this and put it on that place that you have a decay, and let it sit there for at least 30 minutes. It's going to kill all of the germs that are in there. It's going to heal the wound that are in that place, and it's going to help the pain really reduce, not as drastic as it would have been if you actually did not use this thing to put on that place. So you can actually mix it and keep it. So you have a decay, you just put it there at least in a day, you keep it there, let it go inside of that place, okay, and then you're good. Okay, so go give this a try, and I'm sure you're gonna be loving it just like I am loving mine. Okay guys, so that's it, and just like I said, you just follow it that way. Do not keep it in your mouth for too long, except you're actually applying it on your dental decay area. Okay, it's gonna soothe the pain and it's gonna be very helpful. All right guys, so that's it. Do not forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe here, turn on the post notification and click on, and share the video, okay, so that a lot of people would benefit from it. All right guys, I'll see you again in my next video, and bye.